Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever High Coverage Concealer in the color Graham Cracker. I also got the Easy Bake Loose Bacon and Setting Powder in the color Kunafa. I will be using the Huda Beauty Foundation in the color Cinnamon. And I did prime my face off camera. Now it's time for the concealer. I'm just squeezing a small amount out. This concealer is very different from any other concealer. The way you apply it is very cooling on the eyes. This concealer is super thick, guys. It is definitely full coverage. This concealer comes in 20 shades. I got the color Graham Cracker. I could have went a little bit darker, but I like the color. I think it's best if you apply the concealer one eye at a time, because when it was time for me to blend this product out, it did not move. It was stuck in place. As you can see, the product is not moving and I'm just blending and blending, but it won't move. And at this very moment, I realize I might have used too much. But don't worry, I will fix it. But just remember, a little of this concealer goes a long way. So next time I know I don't need as much. This is definitely an overachiever concealer and it got me shook. Now I'm just going to set everything with the Kunafa baking powder. I really like this setting powder because it's yellow and it reminds me of the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, but this one is more yellow and more fine. All Huda Beauty products has this perfume smell. It really doesn't bother me and eventually it goes away. But if you're sensitive to smell, it does have a perfume slash grandma smell. I'm just contouring per usual. I'm just dusting off the baking powder and it comes off perfectly. I also picked up Dose of Color Desi and Katy Chasing the Sun highlighter. This is my new favorite highlighter, guys. This highlighter is bomb. My final thoughts on the Overachiever High Coverage Concealer is, if you are a full coverage, full beat girl, this concealer will be your best friend. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions below. Later.